Have you ever dreamed of retiring early and living life on your own terms? Imagine waking up every day with no financial stress, doing what you love. It might seem impossible, but it's not. Hi, I'm Richie, and I'm here to help you retire early and live life on your terms. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to retire a millionaire. Follow these simple steps, and your dream can become your reality. Step 1. Set clear goals. The first step is knowing your financial destination. If you aim to retire with $1 million, calculate how much you need to save each month. Start early, so compound interest has time to grow your money. Even small, consistent savings can snowball into a large fortune over time. Step 2. Create a budget. A budget helps you take control of your money by tracking income and expenses. Identify areas to cut back, like dining out or unused subscriptions. Automate your savings so it becomes a habit. Saving just 20% of your income can set you on the path to financial independence. Step 3. Invest smartly. Investing is the key to multiplying your savings. Diversify your portfolio with options like stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread risk. Use strategies like dollar cost averaging, where you invest a fixed amount regularly. This helps you grow wealth steadily despite market ups and downs. Step 4. Pay off debt. Debt, especially high-interest debt, is a major barrier to financial freedom. Focus on paying it off quickly to free up your income for saving. Debt consolidation can simplify payments and lower your interest rate. Less debt means more opportunities to build wealth for retirement. Step 5. Live below your means. Living below your means doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being mindful of your spending. Focus on needs over wants and avoid impulse buys. Adopting a frugal lifestyle lets you save more and invest more. Over time, this discipline can bring you closer to your dream retirement. Becoming a millionaire is achievable with clear goals, smart planning, and consistent action. Let's make your dream retirement a reality. Retiring as a millionaire is not a dream if you follow these simple steps. Set clear goals, save, invest, avoid debt, and spend wisely. Start small but stay consistent, and your efforts will add up over time. Thanks for watching. I'm Richie, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.